today's highly competitive hospitality industry, a strong brand identity is crucial for success. Whether you're running a boutique hotel, a vacation rental, or a serviced accommodation business, creating a distinct and memorable brand identity can set you apart from the competition, build customer loyalty, and drive bookings. In this video, we will explore the steps and strategies to create a compelling brand identity for your serviced accommodation business. 1. Define your brand values and mission. Before embarking on building a brand identity, it's crucial to define the foundational principles of your business. Core values. Consider what principles guide your business. Are you committed to sustainability, luxury, affordability, or cultural authenticity? For example, if eco-friendliness is a core value, emphasize energy-efficient practices, recycling programs, and eco-friendly amenities. Mission statement. Craft a concise and impactful mission statement that encapsulates your purpose in the hospitality industry. Your mission statement should convey what you aim to achieve and the unique value you offer to guests. Differentiation. Highlight what sets you apart from competitors. For instance, if your brand values luxury, emphasize high-end amenities, impeccable service, and exclusive experiences. 2. Understand your target audience. To create a brand identity that resonates with your potential guests, you must gain a deep understanding of who they are. Demographics. Analyze data on the age, gender, income level, and geographical location of your target audience. This information helps you tailor your branding efforts to match their profiles. Psychographics. Delve into their interests, preferences, and lifestyle choices. Understand their motivations for traveling and their expectations from accommodation. Needs and pain points. Identify the problems or challenges your target audience faces when traveling. Your brand can address these pain points as a way to attract and engage potential guests. 3. Craft a unique brand name and logo. Your brand's name and logo are the visual and verbal elements that often make the first impression on guests. Brand name. Select a brand name that aligns with your core values and mission. It should also be distinctive and memorable. For example, if your accommodation offers a tranquil retreat, the name should evoke serenity and relaxation. Logo design. Collaborate with a professional graphic designer who can translate your brand's essence into a visually appealing logo. Ensure that the logo reflects your brand's personality and leaves a lasting impression. 4. Develop a distinct visual identity. Your visual identity extends beyond your logo. Color schemes. Choose a color palette that complements your brand's character. For example, warm earth tones might evoke a cozy and rustic ambiance, while vibrant colors can convey energy and excitement. Typography. Select fonts that align with your brand style. Serif fonts can convey elegance and tradition, while sans serif fonts often suggest modernity and minimalism. 5. Craft your brand story. A compelling brand story can forge an emotional connection with potential guests. Origin story. Share the history of your property or how you entered the hospitality industry. If your accommodation has a rich heritage or unique background, weave it into your narrative. People and culture. Introduce the people behind your business, such as the owners, staff, and local community. Emphasize their role in creating memorable guest experiences. Challenges and triumphs. Narrate the challenges you've faced and overcome. These stories can convey resilience and dedication to guest satisfaction. 6. Define your brand voice. Consistency in your brand's tone and language is pivotal. Tone. Decide on the appropriate tone for your brand communication. For instance, if you're targeting a family-oriented audience, a friendly and approachable tone may work best. A formal tone may be more suitable for a luxury brand. Language style. Develop a style guide that specifies language conventions, such as the use of pronouns, formality, and jargon. Ensure that your brand's voice is consistently applied across all communication channels. 7. Create a unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is a cornerstone of your brand identity. Identify your USP. Pinpoint what makes your serviced accommodation unique. Whether it's panoramic views, exceptional concierge services, or themed rooms, your USP should be a focal point of your branding. Effective communication. Clearly communicate your USP in your branding materials. Use storytelling to illustrate how it enhances the guest experience. For instance, if your USP is a historic location, delve into its historical significance. 8. Design a user-friendly website. Your website should be an embodiment of your brand identity. Visual consistency. Ensure that the design of your website reflects your brand's color scheme, typography, and overall style. Consistency fosters trust and recognition. User experience. Prioritize a seamless user experience. The website should load quickly, have intuitive navigation, and offer easy booking options. 9. Implement a consistent marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy should reinforce your brand identity. Content alignment. Maintain a uniform visual style and brand voice across all marketing channels, including social media, email campaigns, and advertisements. Guest engagement. Engage with your audience through interactive content, storytelling, and social media interactions. Encourage user-generated content by featuring guest experiences on your website and social platforms. 10. Collect and use guest feedback. Feedback from guests is a valuable resource. Monitoring platforms. Keep a close eye on online review platforms and respond to feedback professionally. Use both positive and negative reviews to make improvements and demonstrate your commitment to guest satisfaction. 11. Monitor and adapt. Your brand identity should evolve with the industry and guest preferences. Market trends. Stay updated on the latest trends in the hospitality sector. Incorporate relevant trends into your brand identity to remain competitive. Guest preferences. Continuously gather feedback from guests through surveys, focus groups, and direct communication. Adapt your offerings and services to meet evolving guest needs and expectations. Creating a strong brand identity for your serviced accommodation business is essential for standing out in a competitive market. By defining your brand values, understanding your audience, and consistently applying your brand identity across all aspects of your business, you can create a compelling and memorable brand that resonates with guests and drives success. A well-crafted brand identity not only attracts bookings but also fosters guest loyalty and positive word-of-mouth recommendations, ultimately contributing to the long-term success of your business. What is serviced accommodation and why it's a popular business investment strategy among investors? Serviced accommodation, often referred to as serviced apartments or short-term rentals, is a type of lodging that offers fully furnished and equipped accommodations for short-term stays. These accommodations are typically available for periods ranging from a few nights to several weeks or months, making them a flexible and convenient option for both leisure and business travelers. Serviced accommodation properties can come in various forms, including apartments, condominiums, houses, and even hotel rooms, all designed to provide a home-away-from-home experience. Here are some key features and reasons why serviced accommodation has become a popular business investment strategy among investors. 1. Flexibility and length of stay. Serviced accommodation is designed to cater to travelers who need short-term lodging. This flexibility makes it attractive to a wide range of guests, including tourists, business travelers, relocating individuals or families, and medical tourists. Investors can tap into multiple target markets due to this adaptability. 2. Fully furnished and equipped. Serviced apartments and accommodations come fully furnished with amenities such as kitchens, living areas, and bedrooms. They are equipped with appliances, cookware, and linens, allowing guests to live comfortably during their stay. This convenience can command higher nightly rates compared to traditional hotels. 3. Cost-effective for extended stays. For guests planning to stay for more extended periods, serviced accommodations are often a more cost-effective choice compared to hotels. Guests can enjoy the benefits of a larger space, a fully equipped kitchen, and laundry facilities, reducing expenses on dining out and laundry services. 4. Home-like comfort. Serviced accommodations aim to create a home-like environment. Guests can experience a sense of comfort and privacy that is often lacking in standard hotel rooms. This atmosphere can be particularly appealing for families and travelers seeking a more residential experience. 5. Competitive pricing. Investors can price their serviced accommodations competitively, making them an attractive alternative to hotels. Additionally, property owners can offer flexible pricing structures, such as weekly or monthly discounts, to attract long-term guests. 6. High demand in urban centers. Serviced accommodations are particularly popular in urban centers and business districts, where travelers require convenient and comfortable lodging options close to key locations. This demand can lead to high occupancy rates and strong rental income potential for investors. Booking.com and Vrbo has facilitated the growth of the short-term rental market. These platforms connect travelers with serviced accommodation options, making it easier for property owners to market their listings and secure bookings. 8. Investment portfolio diversification. Serviced accommodation investments offer diversification opportunities for real estate investors. They can add a unique asset class to their portfolios, reducing risk by spreading investments across different property types. 9. Management flexibility. Investors can choose to manage their serviced accommodations independently or enlist the services of property management companies. This flexibility allows investors to have varying degrees of involvement in the day-to-day operations, depending on their preferences and expertise. 10. Potential for higher returns. Due to their flexibility, pricing advantages, and strong demand in certain markets, serviced accommodations have the potential to generate higher rental income and return on investment, ROI, compared to traditional long-term rentals. In summary, serviced accommodation is a versatile and profitable investment strategy that appeals to a broad range of travelers seeking short-term stays. Its adaptability, cost-effectiveness, and focus on guest comfort make it a popular choice among real estate investors looking to capitalize on the growing demand for temporary lodging options, especially in urban areas and tourist destinations. As the travel industry continues to evolve, serviced accommodation investments are likely to remain a lucrative opportunity for those willing to meet the diverse needs of today's travelers.